Hello champs, once again you welcome to the tube lesson. So in this lesson we are going to learn about cone. So in last lesson we have learned about cylinder. I hope you have created that SketchUp very nicely, and we also identified some object name from your home which look like a cylinder. Now in today class we are going to learn about cone. So what is the cone? What are the all the parts of that cone, how we can design a cone in a Google SketchUp. We are going to learn this in today class. You already know what is a vertex. Vertex is the corner point or the where two lines met at that point is also called vertex, curved face and curved edge, and the bottom one is flat face. If I give some examples of a cone, you have seen a ice cream cone and a hat of this shape as well. Now let's move on to the Google SketchUp and let's try to make it. To create a cone, first we are going to create a cylinder. So for cylinder, first we will create a circle. So see, I have created one circle. Now I want to convert this 2D circle in a cylinder. So which tool I have to use? I am going to use push and pull tool. So after using push and pull tool, I will make it pull. See, now I have created a cylinder. So now we are going to convert cylinder into cone. How we can convert it? So from the top face, we are going to make it merge and make a vertex. Okay, how we can do this? So first we will use select tool to select the top. Then we will go to move tool. Then we will select a scale option. Once you click on scale, you can see these small boxes around there. Now what you have to do? You have to simply select the center square and pull it like this. Similarly, you can use this one as well. Similarly, you can use this one and this one as well. So now you have merged all the squares in one point. So see, we have created one cone. This is the bottom part of that cone. This is a curved face and this is the vertex. So easy. Now it's your turn to create the same. Bye bye. Have a nice day.